to the Hindi classes again. Okay, so let's proceed our class and see what we have today. I hope I am visible and audible to you as well. So let's see our class. This is completed color, fruits, vegetables, cereals, spices, animals, birds, and parts of the body. Okay, so today we will discuss some other most common noun uses in daily life like bed, school, bucket, bell, fire, ashes. So we will see the meaning of these words, and let's start. Let's start our class. So this is bed. Bed in Hindi is bistar. Okay, just give me a second so I can note you the Hindi word. I can note for you. Okay, so just give me a second. Sorry. Okay, so I'm sorry, this is time taking. Okay, so the bird in Hindi is the bed in Hindi is this is bed, and what we called in Hindi it is called bistar. This is bistar. Okay, bistar, bistar. Bed in Hindi is bistar. In the morning you woke up and you woke up from bed. Okay, so bed in Hindi is bistar. Then you go to the washroom. Okay, and in the washroom you have what you have bucket, and in Hindi the bucket is called balti. This is bucket, and the meaning of bucket in Hindi is bal balti. Okay, bucket means balti. Bucket means balti. Then you on your tap from where the water comes. So tap in Hindi is nal. Tap in Hindi is nal. Tap in Hindi is nal. Water. Water in Hindi is jal or pani. The word meaning of water in Hindi is many there are many synonyms of water in Hindi. Okay, so you can here I have written for you only two words and it will be easy for you. Like water in Hindi is jal and pani. You can also say neer. Neer is also pani or jal. Okay, so neer is the more formal word and it will be like in the not used in the daily life. So you can remember only jal and pani. Okay, so water means in Hindi it is called jal or pani. Bed means bistar. Bed means bistar. Bucket means balti. Bucket means balti. Tap means nal. Tap means nal. Water means jal or pani. Jal or pani. Then you go to the school. So school in Hindi it is called Vidyalay. Okay. So please attention this word, like it is called Vidyalay. 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 School in Hindi it is called Vidyalay. Okay. And when your lunch happened, the bell is ringing. Okay, so the bell in Hindi it is called ghanti. Bell in Hindi it is called ghanti. This is ghanti. Bell in Hindi it is called ghanti. So I have an interesting interesting word for you, like computer. What do you think? What you call computer in Hindi? So it is a very interesting word in Hindi. It is called Sangadak. 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 Computer in Hindi it is called Sangadak. Air in Hindi it is called Vayu. Vayu. Air in Hindi it is called Vayu. 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 Wind means Hava. Wind means Hava. You can also say Vayu or Hava. It is the synonyms and can be used either Vayu or Hava. Okay. So wind means Hava. Fire means Ag, Agni. Either you can use Ag or Agni. Just like the water, fire also have many synonyms in Hindi. Okay. So fire means in Hindi it is called Ag. This is Ag or Agni. Fire in Hindi, Ag or Agni. When you look up to the sky, you see what you see. You see cloud. And what you call cloud in Hindi? It is called Badal. It is called Badal. Cloud in Hindi, Badal. Cloud in Hindi, Badal. Soil. Soil in Hindi it is called Mitti. What it is called? Mitti. Soil in Hindi, Mitti. Okay. Here we have sand. Sand. Sand in Hindi is called Reet. Reet. Mark this word and remember, this is not Reet. This is Reet. This is Reet. Reet. Ashes. Ashes in Hindi it is called Raak. This is what it is. Raak. Raak. Okay. Road. Road in Hindi it is called Sadak. Sadak. Road means in Hindi it is called Sadak. Garden. Garden in Hindi it is called Bagicha. 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 Garden in Hindi, Bagicha. Garden means Bagicha. Okay. So let's revise. Bed means bistar. Bed means bistar. Bucket means balti. Bucket means balti. Tap means null. Tap means null. Water means jal or pani. Jal or pani. School means vidyalay. Vidyalay. School means vidyalay. Bell means ghanti. Bell means ghanti. Computer means sangadak. Computer means sangadak. Air means vayu. Air means vayu. Wind means hava. Wind means hava. Fire means ag or agni. Fire means ag or agni. Cloud means badal. Cloud means badal. Soil means mitti. Soil means mitti. Sand means reet. Sand means reet. Ashes means raak. Ashes means raak. Road means sadak. Road means sadak. Garden means bagicha. Garden means bagicha. Okay. So here we have just a second. Here we have some more words like mountain. Mountain in Hindi it is called Parvat. Parvat. Mountain in Hindi, Parvat. Hill means Pahadi. Hill means Pahadi. River means Nadi. River means Nadi. Lake means Jheel. In Hindi it is called Jheel. Lake means Jheel. Waterfall means Jharna or Jal Prapat. This is Jal and this is Prapat. Jal Prapat. Jal Prapat. Together it is called जल प्रपात. झरना, waterfall means jal prapat or jharna. Spring means also jharna. Spring means jharna. What do you call wire in Hindi? Wire means tar. Wire means tar. Electricity. Electricity means bijli. Electricity means bijli. Bijli. What we call bijli. Bijli. Rainbow. This is the common word and the most beautiful word. Like Vibgyor, the 7 colors together form a rainbow. So the rainbow meaning in Hindi it is called Indra and Dhanush. Okay, so the word here it is written like bow, B-O-W, bow. Bow means what it is? Bow means teer in Hindi. Okay, so and Dhanush. Okay, so teer and sorry, we'll tell you in the next class. So you can easily relate that. Here you only remember like Indradhanush. Indra is also the god name in Hindus like Indra, and rainbow in Hindi it is called Indradhanush. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you, like Indra is the god name of Hindus. There is a god in the Hindu culture which is called Indra, who is called Indra. Okay, so Indradhanush in Hindi, the rainbow it is called Indradhanush. Indradhanush. Okay, here I have broken the word like Indra and this is Dhanush. Okay, so rainbow it is called in Hindi is Indradhanush. Okay, so here we have word like shoe. Shoe in Hindi it is called Juta. Juta. Shoe in Hindi Juta. Socks. Socks in Hindi moje. Moje. Socks in Hindi moje. Slipper. Slipper in Hindi we called chappal. Chappal. Slipper in Hindi we call chappal. Okay, these are the basic noun words which we use in our daily life like bed, water, air, cloud, socks, slipper, shoe or tar. If we move out in the outing section, like we use hills, hill station, you heard the name like hill station, rivers, okay, lake, jheel, rainbow, computer, school, and tap, water, fire, soil, sand. So these all the words which are surround us, and I hope I make it clear for you that you can pronounce the Hindi word of these words. Okay, so please revise at the home these words. Some words are easy and some only 1 or 2 words will be difficult for you, so you can break the word and try out yourself to pronounce it, and please revise again and again, and please use these words which I am telling you in Hindi in your daily life, so you can adapt Hindi in easily and in few time. So let's end this class. I hope you like the class, today's class, and some word meanings like computer. Okay, so let's end this class here, and thank you for joining the class. Thank you for joining the Hindi classes. Okay, thank you for all.